Last class, we learned that after the people had done terrible things on the earth in the days of Noah, God decided he would put an end to it. And he chose a man named Noah to build a great big ark. That is a big boat. And he told him to gather lots of food and to gather two of every kind of animal, every kind of creature in the world. And so Noah did exactly what God told him to do. He built the ark, and when it was fully ready, God told Noah to gather his family and to get inside the ark. So that's what they did. Now we're going to continue the story from there. Now, when Noah, his family, and all the animals were safe inside the ark, God closed the door of the ark, and it began to rain slowly, steadily, hour after hour, day after day, week after week. It rained and it rained and it rained until floodwaters covered the earth all around. And the people who were cruel and greedy and violent and hurt each other, they were washed away. Only Noah's ark and all the people and the animals inside of it, they were safely floating above it all. After 40 days and 40 nights, the rain finally stopped. The clouds drifted away and the sun shone slowly, steadily, hour after hour, day after day, week after week. The waters went down and the land dried out. Now, this would have been such a big storm of water that there was no land to be seen on the earth. All of the earth was covered with water. Now, this was an amazing flood that God brought to the earth. Now, let's watch the rest of or part of our story here about Noah.
When the ark was ready, God told Noah to load everyone into the large boat. They entered in pairs, each with another of its kind. After 7 days, it started to rain. The underground waters erupted from the earth, and the rain fell in mighty torrents from the sky.
You see that water's coming down from the ground, water's coming from up above. It's raining, it's pouring.
It rained for 40 days and 40 nights, and then stopped. Many days later, Noah sent out a dove.
All right, and we'll learn about the rest of that video about Noah's story later. Okay. So you're going to be gathering your, this time it's, let's see, our rainbow. We've had red, orange, yellow. What comes next? Green. Green comes next. And then comes blue. And we're going to be doing these two today. All right. So maybe you want to pause the video and write in those words right there. Noah and his family went into the ark, Genesis 7, chapter 1. And in the blue rainbow strip, you're going to write, it rained for 40 days and 40 nights, Genesis 7, verses 12 and 17. All right, and when you're finished that, you can put it inside of your boat, and we're going to do something with our rainbow once that's all done. Okay, and in your picture today, you can draw or color your picture of Noah's family being going safely inside of the ark. And the next picture is the rain coming down and the waters from the earth coming up out of the ground and the boat floating on the water safely with Noah and all the animals and his family. And it's amazing that that God loved Noah so much that he was willing to save his family, even though all around him there was only sin. And God will save us too if we believe in the one that he has given to us to save us, which is Jesus, his son. He gave us Jesus to save us from our sin. Just like how God gave Noah a big boat to save them from the water, God has given us Jesus to save us from our sin. And that is the beautiful truth of our story today. All right, kids, enjoy. Bye.